Now here the question is, let S be the sample space of all 3 cross 3 matrices with entries from the set 0 and 1. Let the event E1 and E2 be given by E1 is when determinant of A is 0 and E2 is sum of entries of A is 7. If a matrix is chosen at random from S, then the conditional probability P E1 upon E2 is. Now first we'll find number of matrices possible. Now it's a 3 cross 3 matrix, so we have 9 entries, and for each position we have 2 choices. So total number of such matrices will be 2 to the power 9, and that will be 512. Now we need to find probability of E1 upon E2. Now this is probability of E1 intersection E2 upon probability of E2. First we will calculate probability of E2. Now E2 is the event that sum of entries of A is 7. So that means in this matrix E2 there should be 7 ones and 2 zeros. So total number of matrices is such that it has 7 ones and 2 zeros. It will be given by factorial 9 divided by factorial 7 factorial 2, and that will be 36. So probability of E2 will be simply 36 by 512. So from these 512 matrices, there are 36 matrices such that sum of entries of A is 7. Now we'll find probability of E1 intersection E2. Now E1 intersection E2 means from all these 36 matrices having 7 ones and 2 zeros, we have to find all those matrices in which value of determinant is 0. Now one such matrix will be 1 0 0, 1 1 1 and 1 1 and 1. Now we can interchange 1 and 0 here, and we can interchange 1 and 0 there also. So we'll have 3 cases. We can interchange these 2 rows. Again here we'll have 3 cases, and we can interchange here and this 1 0 0, they can be interchanged. So there will be 3 plus 3 plus 3, that is 9 cases. Now same can be done along the column also. So we can write this as 1 0 0, 1 1 1 and 1 1 1. Now again this one, it can be shifted in 3 ways, or we can interchange and still shift. Here also it has 3. So total number of ways in which we can shift this 1 and still we'll be getting this determinant as 0. There will be 9 plus 9, 18. So this probability will be 18 upon 512. So now we have to find this conditional probability. So this conditional probability will be 18 by 36, which is 1 by 2, and that is 0.5, and that is the answer to this question.